Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Mercurial Superfly Sport cleats on the market. The Nike Mercurial Superfly 10 Elite FG high-top soccer cleats in the striking Volt and Black colorway. Right from the start, these cleats catch your eye with their vibrant Volt color combined with sleek black accents, creating a bold statement on the field. But beyond looks, the Superfly 10 Elite is engineered for high performance, making it a favorite for serious soccer players who demand speed, agility, and excellent traction. The upper material is crafted with a breathable mesh that provides both flexibility and durability. This ensures your foot stays comfortable and well supported during intense matches or training sessions. Coupled with the high-top design, the cleats offer enhanced ankle support without sacrificing mobility, which is crucial for quick directional changes and explosive speed. Underneath, the sole is constructed from a blend of synthetic rubber and thermoplastic polyurethane. This combination guarantees a lightweight feel while delivering superior grip on firm ground surfaces. Whether you're sprinting down the wing or making sharp cuts, the sole is designed to give you the confidence to perform at your best. These cleats weigh just over a pound, making them incredibly lightweight and ideal for players who rely on agility and quick footwork. The snug fit of the Superfly 10 Elite also helps minimize any excess movement inside the shoe, reducing the risk of blisters and discomfort during extended play. The overall design and build quality reflect Nike's commitment to innovation and performance. This model represents a great blend of style, technology, and functionality, making it suitable not just for professional athletes but also for dedicated enthusiasts looking to elevate their game. If you're searching for a soccer cleat that offers a high level of responsiveness, lightweight support, and a standout design, the Nike Mercurial Superfly 10 Elite FG High Top is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.